Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We are going to discuss the most important derivative of exercise 4.2, question number 3. So here, this is the f of t is equals to ln of 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Here, the derivative of ln x, we have a formula, it is equals to 1 over x. So here differentiate with respect to x, with respect to t, sorry. So this is f of f prime t, and here we have to apply the formula d over dt of ln 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. So first we have to find out the derivative of ln, and the derivative of ln is 1 over whatever they given to you with the ln here. So this is 1 minus t square, 1 plus t square, it is x, so it will be equal to 1 over x. So that means it is 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. This is the derivative of ln. Now we have to find out the derivative of 1 minus x square over 1 plus t square. First we have to find out the derivative of the function, and then we have to find out the derivative of the x, just like the x here, which is 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. So here reciprocal this one, reciprocal it 1 plus t square over 1 minus t square. Here we have to use the quotient rule here. What was the quotient rule? If two functions are in quotient form, so we have to apply the formula, that is v as it is derivative of u minus u as it is derivative of v divided by v square. This is the quotient rule here. So what is u here? 1 minus t square, and what is v here? 1 plus t square. So u over v, we are going to apply the quotient rule here. 1 plus t square, the derivative of numerator, v as it is means 1 plus t square as it is, derivative of u means 1 minus t square, minus 1 minus t square as it is, and the derivative of v, and the v is 1 plus t square, and whole divided by v square, that means 1 plus t square to the whole square. This is 1 plus t square power 1, and this is 1 plus t square power 2. One factor will cancel out to this one. So this is here 1 plus t square as it is, derivative of this function. So the derivative of 1, it is 0 minus, and the derivative of t square is 2t. Derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of t square is minus 2t. Here 1 minus t square remains same, and again 1 plus t square. So the derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of t square, it is 2t. And this is 1 minus t square. This is 1 plus t square. One factor will cancel out to this one. Again see this, students, derivative of 1 is 0, minus remains same, and the derivative of t square, it will be 2t. Derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of t square is 2t. So just multiply this, minus 2t multiply by 1, so this will be minus 2t. Plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2, t multiplied by t square, base are same, then the power will be sum up to each other, so it will be t cube. The same situation here also, 2t multiplied by 1 remains same, and minus 2t multiplied by t square, 2t cube. This is power 1, this is power 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is a square minus a minus b, a plus b. So that will be equals to a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, we have the formula, it is equals to a square minus b square. Now open the bracket with a negative sign in the numerator. So this minus 2t minus 2t cube minus 2t minus minus plus 2t cube. 1 minus 2 2s are 4, power 4. We have a double power, so it will be multiplied to each other. Minus 2t cube plus 2t cube cancel out. So minus 2, it is equals to minus 4 whole divided by 1 minus t4. This is the derivative of ln 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, dear students, come to the next part of the same question, the most important questions of the derivative in exercise 3.4. 4.2 exercise, and this is question number 3 of the fourth part. Again, we have to find out the derivative, differentiate with respect to t. So this is the derivative f prime t. Apply the operator here, ln of ln t, and we have discussed that the derivative of ln x, it is equals to 1 upon x. So here we have to apply this formula. The derivative of ln, it is equals to 1 upon ln t, and then we have to find out the derivative of this function, that is ln t. Remember that here we have to find out the derivative of ln. So the derivative of ln, it is 1 upon ln t, and then we have to find out the derivative of ln t here. So this is ln t, and now here the derivative of ln t is 1 upon t. So this is the answer of this question. That is f of t is equals to ln of ln t, and its answer is 1 over t times ln t. Now come to the next part of the same question, same exercise here, the most important question of the derivative here. This is 1 upon 2 tangent square t plus ln cos t, and we have to find out its derivative here. So this is f prime t, and here we have to apply the operator d over dt, 1 upon 2 tangent square t plus d over dt of ln of cos t. Apply the operator here separately. So this is, here we have to apply the power rule. So 1 upon 2, this is the power of this function. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2, and then 1 decreases from the power. And this is the, we have to apply the power rule here. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 minus 1. Now we have to find out the derivative of the function. That was the derivative of the power. Now come here, this is the derivative of ln cos t, as we have discussed that the derivative of ln x, it is equals to 1 over x. So the derivative of ln cos t, it will be 1 upon cos t, and then we have to find out the derivative of cos t. So this 2 will cancel out this 2, and 2 minus 1 means the 1. This is tangent t. The derivative of tangent t, it is sec square t. The derivative of tangent x, it is equals to sec square x. This is the formula of derivative of tangent x here. So here this is the tangent t. So the derivative of tangent t will be equal to sec square t. And this is cos t remains same, and the derivative of cos t, it is equals to minus sin t. We have the formula of the derivative of cos t, that is equals to minus sin t. So this is tangent t of sec square t plus minus minus sin t over cos t. So this is become the tangent t. Now tangent t, we have to take out whole common here. Then this is sec square t minus 1. As we know that 1 plus tangent square t theta, it is equals to sec square theta. And this is sec square theta minus 1. This plus 1 we have to shift here. So this is sec square t minus 1. It will be equals to the tangent t, tangent square t. This is sec square theta minus 1. It will be equals to tangent square theta. So just we have to apply the formula here. That is tangent into tangent square t. It is tangent cube t, and this is the derivative of this question. Dear students, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. We have discussed a very important question of the derivative of question number 3. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.